Gold and silver traded in a narrow zone. We have seen a recovery from the drop we had seen earlier in the day, and now again back to the critical levels here. What to expect now? Yes, all eyes are set on the non-farm payrolls data coming in from US. That will be the decisive factor where gold can take it based on the data, and which direction it's gonna be, where to enter, where to exit, how to profit trading gold and silver. We're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end. What's happening with gold? See, first this major decline, then the rise, retracement, and then lower lows. So yes, it is trying to deliver lower highs, lower lows. Very, very important for gold to trade about 2660 levels here and 2665. If these two levels are taken, stay bullish. We may see gold hitting 2676.80 and in fact 26, or rather I will say 2700 as well. Possibility is there. What's happening? Look at the movement here. See, first of all, it has got its resistance intact at around 2655. We have seen a drop, and now it is creating the next resistance at 2644.46. So yes, that is the point of time you can initiate a buying entry at around 2644.46. Expect 2650, 55 and 60 as the three levels. Beyond this, certainly more bullish momentum will be seen here. Now if you look at the near term here, see the rise here, and it is trading in an expanding triangle. So I will say wait for the 2655 only and 2660 only. That will be the confirmation of reversal. Moving averages right now are trading with divergence on the sell side. Stochastic has dropped. MACD after the crossover, it is rising, looking upwards. Signs of bullishness are here, and likewise with the RSI as well. On the 2-hour chart, very important to note, look at the preceding few candles here. You can find out, look at none of the candles closed about 2641. So this has become a critical level here, and in fact on the upside 4546 or 4446 is also one of the critical levels. So in fact, even if you see gold trading about 26 42, you can buy, but this is going to be slightly riskier. First 2645 46, then 2650, then 5556. So these are the levels which you should watch out for. Right now it is consolidating in a zone. See, the current candle had a big tail, but price is failing to stay bearish and has come down towards the levels at which it has started. So I will wait for it to trade about 2642. You can initiate a buying entry there itself. But this has to be with caution. Again, I am repeating, this has to be with caution till 2655 and 2660 levels are not taken. You should not be treating gold as bullish. Stochastic overbought here. MACD has crossed over here at the bottom, trading with moderate divergence, just one candle away. This suggests that we can see series of candles from here. Possibilities there. RSI running flat. On the 3-hour chart, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Drop, retracement, lower highs, lower lows, and let it break beyond 2655, 2660 zone. That will be the good confirmation or indication for us to go for buying here. Else it is still not to be treated bullish here. Moving averages are trading with divergence. You can see the preceding three candles. You can find out slightly higher highs and a greater resistance at around 2644, 46 zone. Very good resistance exists here. Stochastic rising. The MACD is bearish here, trying to converge crossover. RSI is comfortable. On the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour chart. See, ideally I'll divide this into two. This candle is very, very important. It has created a tail here, closed some of the orders below 2620 levels, and has bounced back and has recovered. Now this is also important to note that the moving averages have crossed over here, and these are trading with divergence and bearishness. Now the next thing to note here is, divide this into two: one greener candle, couple of retracement candles, and if the current candle, or if the current move takes gold about 2650, 55 zone, you can certainly say that the prices are reversing and we can look forward to a rise. Else what's happening? Notice this. This is how it has been trading. It is forming a nice flag. Wait for a breakout in order to confirm a direction. Stochastic rising, the MACD flat and bearish, RSI is flat here. Coming to now, look at the daily charts. What it has done so far for the day, it has hit the lower lows here and has tried to post a recovery, but I can see a bit of swings here. It is not willing to break on the upside. Just wait for it to break here about 2655, 2660 zone. Again and again, we are highlighting these levels, only above which you can expect a little bullishness today. And as long as now 2660 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. This is very, very clear. You have to trail your stop losses strictly. Second thing is it has already formed a tail and I can see a bit of swings. Only bullishness. Yes, if it breaks here beyond 2660, you can expect a reversal and a rise here. Stochastic also showing a bit of rise while the MACD almost flat, trading in green. RSI is also flat. So looking at this, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a stress-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering the analysis here, I will recommend you to place a buy at 2642 itself, but you have to trail it strictly. Remember, prices can reverse, prices can drop sharp if it fails to stay above 2655-60 zone. So yes, you if you're buying at 2642, you can expect 2645, 46 as the first resistance, 2650 as the next, 55 as the third, and then 2660. If these levels are taken, ideally I'll be looking forward to a greater move towards 2676, 80, but intermediate resistances you can place at around 2664, 65 first, 71, 72 second, and then we can look forward to 76 and 80 levels. Remember, it has a potential to also move towards 2700 levels, but there are greater resistances on the way, and thus you need to trail your stop losses strictly. It can show you swings as well. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 2634, 32 zone, and once it trades below this, you can expect 2628 levels as the first, 2620, 22 as the next. And if it trades below 2620, stay short for 2610, 12, and then below that 2600. If at any point of time gold trades below 2600, consider that a major drop can be expected here below 2600. We are looking forward to 2591, 2584, and once 2580, 84 is taken, 2550 levels are going to be there very, very soon. Take your positions accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. After this rise, it is staying sideways. It is trading in a box, flat top here, failing to break beyond 3140.50, which is a critical milestone for silver to break past by. We can see it reversing and lower lows are getting created. Now notice on the downside, 31 and 3080 are the two levels it needs to break, because below this it is going to deliver a massive drop here. Right now the momentum is not very much so aggressive that it can drop below 30, 50, 40 zone. But yes, the look, or you can say, if you look at the move here, you can see it is looking downwards and trying to suggest a little bearish. Also, the flat top here is very, very critical, and we have been observing this 31, 40, 50 zone is always been a critical resistance in the recent past as well. So let it break beyond this and you can expect a more stronger rise. Now see what silver has done today. You can connect the dots, you will find higher highs and higher lows here. It has already seen the lows, and I will wait for a breakout here. If it stays above 31, 40, 50, you can stay bullish for 32 levels as well. Stochastic has dropped to bottom, MACD trading bearish, RSI has dropped as well. On the 2-hour chart, the observation remains more or less the same. Remember the preceding candle and the current candle. Preceding candle comes with a flat top and a flat bottom, and this candle already is starting on a bearish note. It definitely requires a lot much of effort from silver to break past by 3140, 3150 zone, breaking beyond which it is gonna stay bullish. It is gonna deliver a massive rise here. Look at the formation here, a greater resistance trying to reverse, trading below 31, and then 3080. Certainly you can say a more crash can be seen here. Stochastic has dropped, the MACD is trading with divergence and bearishness, RSI has dropped here. Coming to 3 hour, on the 3 hour chart, so what's happening, very, very important to note. Look at this. Yes, this is a wall out here. It needs to break this wall. Only and only if silver breaches this wall. I think if it breaks this wall, it is not going to come back down. That is very, very clear. But right now, it is not willing to break it on the upside. Right now, it is looking downwards, trying to trade bearish. See, the preceding candle comes with the bigger red body, and now it has started on a bearish note. However, I will say you have to wait for 31 and 3080 zone to be taken. Only and only if these two levels are taken, we can say that the bears are back. As long as 31 and 38 is not taken, I'll not trade silver as stochastic. Looking down, MACD has crossed over here at the top, trading with divergence, staying bearish, and this is a bearish sign for silver here. You have to watch out with caution here. RSI has dropped as well. On the 4-hour charts, when you see, the observation is similar. Yes, the moving average is crossing over here is a very good sign for the bulls. Second thing is it is achieved the 20 period here. It can take the support from the 20 period and it can still bounce back. We have to just wait. We have to just wait for it to trade above 3140-50 zone in order to show a reversal. Stochastic has dropped here. The MACD has crossed over and it is trading with divergence. Not a good sign for the bulls. Also notice rise, retracement, rise, it could retrace. Retracement may lead to a greater correction. RSI has dropped. Coming to on the daily charts, one more point to note here is the bearish cross in silver, and now the prices are trading above the 20-50-100 period moving average, which is a good sign for the bulls. Next thing to look at it is the 3150 levels, which are very crucial for now for silver to break past by. And in fact, let's include 3160 as well, because once these two levels are taken, I look forward to $32 levels at the next, and beyond 32 we can expect 32.50 and $33 levels as well. Possibility is very high for this if it gives you a breakout on the, but when you see the movement in silver today, you can see this could become the reversal sign and it can deliver similar size of candle, which means it can in fact move towards 30.50. Right now, if you connect the dots, you will find it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Thus, wait for a break which will confirm a reversal. Right now, no confirmation here. It is staying in the box. Stochastic here is overbought while the MACD is bullish and the RSI is flat here. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver if you see it is staying above 3140 levels, 3150 levels. Be careful around 3140-50. If these are taken, then stay bullish for 3165, 3185, 32. And once 32 is taken, ideally I'll be looking forward to 3240-50 and $33 levels very soon. On the downside, you can sell here at 30.95, expect 30.80.75 as the first target, and if it trades below 30.80, 30.75, stay short for 30.50 levels, and any drop below 30.50 is a clear sign of a breakout on the downside where the prices can take a stronger dip, taking it till towards 30.20, $30 levels, chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly, take your trade accordingly, like, share, subscribe and comment, join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the next update, the weekly review tomorrow for gold and silver. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.